Revisiting one of my favorite skincare products today, and that is the Image Skincare Ageless Total Repair Cream. Image Skincare is clean, clinical skincare, physician formulated, tried, tested, and true by skincare professionals. I love this one because it has a dual resurfacing cream with glycolic acid and retinol to help improve the appearance of wrinkles, uneven texture, and tone, formulated with encapsulated time-release retinol to reveal healthy-looking skin, hyaluronic acid to help bind needed hydration to skin, softening the appearance of fine lines and crepiness, promotes the look of firmness, tone, and elasticity. You are going to apply liberally to a cleansed skin in the evening. To avoid irritation, you're going to start off with 1 to 2 times a week and increase gradually to nightly use. You can definitely feel a tingle with this skincare, and I absolutely love it. I feel hydrated. I feel like the elasticity is better, firmness, and smoother. Try it out for yourself. I will link it.